Hi you guys, well my name is PJ. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I installed this glueless wig, and it's really not truly an install because these glueless wigs have been coming pre-plucked and pre-cut. The only thing that I actually did to this wig, because I personally like how it looks, is bleach the knots. Even though the glueless wigs come with really small knots, it always looks better to me when they're actually bleached. This hair is from Nadula Hair, and I'll put the length down below on the screen because I actually forgot how long this is. I want to guess and say that it is at least 24 to 26 inches. As you can see that this is an air wig, which means it doesn't come with a full cap, which makes it very breathable. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Nadula.